Next, our topic is the sensing the things. In the sensing the things, we are first learning about the reading barcodes. A barcode is a representation of data. So we know barcode is a representation of data. The data relates to the object where the printed code strip is attached. So the data relates to the object where printed code strip is attached. In the barcode, a printed code strip is attached. By using that strip attached, we are connecting to the object where the object possesses the data. The code is read by an optical scanner. So that strip printed code can be read by an optical scanner device. Earlier, a barcode would be systematically represent data by varying the width and spacing of parallel lines. So if we observe the barcodes, systematically represents the data by varying the width and spacing of parallel lines. It possesses of parallel lines where you can identify these barcodes in your pens or any packets. So you are identifying in the form of width and spacing of parallel lines. The code was a linear or one-dimensional code. So the code provided in that strip, that parallel lines is a linear or one-dimensional code ID. Later barcodes evolved into rectangles, dots, hexagons and other geometric pattern into two dimensionals. Now the barcodes are available in the form of dots, hexagons and other geometric patterns in the form of 2D, two dimensions. The 2D system uses symbols which are also referred to as barcodes. So your 2D systems also uses symbols which are also referred as a barcode. A barcode reader is a scanner for a printed code called barcode. So a barcode reader is a scanner. So whatever the scanner we are using to read the barcode read of a printed code is called a barcode. An electronic device reads the output for a port of a microcontroller or computing device or computer. An electronic device, by using this device we are accessing the output of for a port of a microcontroller or computing device or computer. From the computer we are identifying the outputs based on your microcontroller or computing device by using these barcode scanners. A scanner has a light source. So your scanner is possess a light source. When it is switched on, the light impulse passes through a lens and focus on the black and white spaces on the barcode. When the scanner is switched on, the light impulses, the light ray emits and passes through the lens and focuses on the barcodes on the black and white spaces of the barcode. The light source can be laser based or LED based. Whatever the scanner you are using, it may be the light, it uses the light source. That light source may be either laser based or LED based. Reflected light sensor or CCD is a charge coupled device detector at the scanner along with an associated decoder circuit convert the optical impulse into electronic pulse. So whenever we are reflecting that light sensors on that strip, it scans the associated decoder circuits. So what data exactly present in that code can be decoded and converts that optical impulse into electric pulse. So whatever the light pulse is be converted into electric pulse, electrical data, and analysis barcodes image data. And we are analyzing what barcodes image data exist through from optical data to electronic data. The resolution commonly used is of a dimension 0.33 mm of the printed code. So we are getting that resolution, the quality of that strip, that should be in the form of a 0.3 mm which is printed on the code. The sensor sends the content of the barcode as ones and zeros at the input port of the computing device. So by using the sensors, it sends the content of the barcode in the form of zeros and ones at the input port of the computing device.